Hey guys, this chapter covers the concept of exceptional handling. So what does it really mean? Well, the exceptional handling is the process of handling any type of errors that might rise during program execution. So we as programmers have to handle them, and when some statement has the possibility to rise an error, we simply display a message to the user or perform any other activity before even the error hits. So the end user has not to worry about any errors during the runtime of a program. Before we dive into program examples, we need to understand some important keywords. We mainly use 4 keywords associated with exceptional handling. Try. The try keyword is what lets you to test a block of code for errors. Exception. The exception keyword helps you handle the error. Else. The else block will be considered when there are no errors. Finally. The finally block contains a statement or group of statements that has to be executed regardless of the result of the try and exception blocks. Example number 1. A program that divides two given numbers. num1 equals to 5, num2 equals to 0. Try. Print num1 divided by num2. Except print the denominator should not be 0. Example number 2. In this example, the except block doesn't execute. Try print hello, except print something went wrong, else print nothing went wrong. Example number 3. So now we're trying to open a text file. Try f equals to open testing.txt, except print the file not exists, else f.write hello world, print done. Finally, f.close, print finally closed. Try practicing exceptional handling yourself so you can get better in handling any type of errors. That was all. Thanks for watching.